哎呦，阿婆煮嘅煲係乜嘢？有番茄、豬肉、有蘑菇、
垃圾煲
係咩？百鳥歸巢。
對。
我哋南寧嗰啲名菜百鳥歸巢。
人哋半夜睡覺啦，咩人聽你叭係你。
爸，而家我拍視頻啦，陣間啲網友一起床我發嘅喎，佢哋就得睇嘅喎。
得咩？
哦，辣椒。
Did you get in the hot tub today?
No, they shut it down.
Was the pool open at least?
The pool open, but they shut down the hot tub.
What's the deal?
The deal was, YMCA, aka Poor People Gym. Is that right, honey?
Not poor people, it's just the gym.
Anyway, community gym. And then mostly retired people there. And then really some all seniors over there. And then you see all kinds of weird action. And my mom saw some old lady who was like, can I say it? Because you're eating.
No.
No?
No.
Okay, you don't want to know, right?
No.
Yeah. So anyway, the hot tub was dirty. And the standard, it's not meet the require of a public hot tub, so they shut it down for 2 days.
Well, tell them to clean it.
Yeah. But because of, everybody's not paying much. So for my membership, me and 3 kids are, I think it's
$100 a month, if even that.
95.
Yeah.
And then to add my parents is like $30 each every month. So altogether, I'm paying like 160 each. So,
Well, you cancel your parents in 2 days.
I did. I canceled them, but they're still good to the end of this month. So what you doing tomorrow?
Going to work.
Okay.
And Tuesday, I may stay at my house because I got to take Richie to the orthodontist. at
Okay.
3.
Is everything okay with him?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then Wednesday, I got to drive out to the Woodlands for his game.
Okay. But Wednesday, you're going to get the kids, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, tomorrow we might go Katie Mill. Because, of course, before my mom leave, she wants to go do the last shot of the Katie Mill Ross.
You don't have the kids this weekend, right?
I don't.
So you can come stay with me some if you want.
Okay. I won't have my parents because they're going back to China, and then I won't have the kids. The kids are going to Galveston this weekend. So, how's the pork?
It's good.
My mom got another dishes coming. Plum ribs. Sour plum ribs. Really good. I'm waiting for that. 一大半都係結食嘅。
百鳥歸巢就係咁食咯
人哋唔係咁講啊，百鳥歸巢，人哋係拎啲舊菜全部放喺起就係咗百鳥歸巢啊！
新菜喎。
呢啲全部係新菜，食得乜呢？
一雜滾煲。
烤蝦嘛！啲網友係我講bình話，我都唔識講bình話，烤嘛烤蝦，你識講平話嘛？
識啊！
嚟咪？
搞門台。
搞門台之後呢？
哎呀，點要講邊樣嘅得呢？
拉你勒燉飲燉水，你識講嘛？
燉水啊！
吃燉水啊！
鹽啊真係講啊嚟啊！
鹽啊真係講，屌你有隻話係啊！叫唔識聽？喂，仲有咩bình話啊？
講bình話唔識搣實啊，搣實講啊！
咩實講啊？
搣實。
喂，公公識講bình話嘛？
識講啲啲。
識講啲啲啦。
識講。
搞掂。
嗰啲嗌人啊，識
啲嗌人啊，
嗌人。
只識講粗口啊？仲識講咩嚇？你哋仲識講咩？喂，過2日都係刑滿釋放喎，有咩感想？
高興啊！
高興，冇乜高興。
冇高興啊？
高興嘛？
高興快樂。
又難受。
哎呦，又高興又難受。你啲好複雜啊！
快到嚟。
感親好複雜啊！2個月咯喎，嚟到啲正啱2個月，
有2個月。
正啱2個月。
就拎隻燈碟嚟食咩？等食排骨啦。
啊，等食排骨，我預估咧，我講係酸梅蒸排骨。
係啊，梅子蒸骨。
佢倒開幾多垃圾嚟沖一沖，上面仲有水。而家喺度等住，先過去坐，拎睇睇，係嘛？嗯，佢食飯好快啊！
係啊。
啊啲咁嘅人啊，我哋響做咩呢？牛嚼牡丹，係嘛？牛嚼牡丹就證明講乜識絲絲平橙。
跟住就求其嚟食餅一肚就得咯。
係啊，幾烚落去烚餅就得。我哋呢就唔係啊，我哋要慢慢飲，慢慢食。似我老乸咁，佢鉗菜都係鉗最細粒嗰隻。
係啊。
一碟菜裡面啲大粒啊，佢咪食嘅喎，佢就鉗一啲細粒啊。你哋識為咩事嘛？
唔係單止我隻仔都係咁。
我都係咁啊，我冇中意食。
係咁。
我冇中小豬又係咁啊。隻仔又係咁。
見佢睇啲佢碟菜佢嚟，佢我睇佢係邊樣？
佢係佢粒細嘅。
望嘅佢粒最細嘅。
你識為咩事嘛？
入味。
啊對啊，星球嗰隻就識揾啲細粒去食啊，食啲大嚿嗰啲都係啲冇星球啊。粗話鬼食得大嚿啊！
你有酒啊，你慢慢斟，慢慢飲啊。
佢冇飲酒啊。飲喎。喂，你仲有2瓶威士忌大瓶喺上面，你飲齊至得行喎。有冇帶得翻去喎？帶得翻去嘛？
容易啊！
好重啊！啲酒啊，太大瓶多，我懷疑冇俾帶啊。
你放喺啲夜晚臨睡嘅睡唔着，你飲2匙羹。
我開住眼都睡得着，你知嘛？因為太攰多一日啊！你見過啲陀螺嘛？一抽隻陀螺，呼嘅聲啊！一日就似隻陀螺咁笨啊！喂，你又唔係講冇見過我啲生活？唉，笨有一日就死錯開啊！啲陀螺啊！
冇笨到死嘅呢？
啊，笨冇笨都死係嘛？
人咪講長生不老嘅。
耶！所以講啊，真絲咪一釘。
啊，幾千萬啊，又係咁，幾又係咁，20幾小時同我哋一樣咩？
係啊。
佢冇得揸6個小時一日，佢咪24小時，佢咪一日3餐一樣啊！
哎呦，睇得開喎！我見你啊。
哎呀，我做乜冇睇得開？冇睇得開。
我哋啲窮鬼就係咁啊！哎呀，你睇過今日本來還有4個菜，今天2個，其中一個是昨天晚上你整粒豬腳，喂，留住佢嚟做粽啊！粒豬腳啊！
食開嘅位，一粒豬腳冇食。
你食啊？我食啊。
我冇食硬多我見啊！啲豬腳漚得冇夠腍，食飯。刑滿，仲有2日刑滿釋放嗬，嚴啦真係講，嚴啦真係講。